Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Saturday morning mix, I would like to share with you fun projects using an awesome stamp, and I'm 100% sure when you see this stamp you will go and order this stamp. Okay, so first let me show you the supplies I used to create my 4 cards. Let me bring my cards first.
One eternity later.
I have my cards here. Okay, so I used this die by MFT. It's like rectangle die. I used this stitch star by Lawn Fawn and a Mama Elephant build a banner die. Lawn Fawn. Okay, this is a stitch. Oh, I mixed them up. Stitch star frames. And this is heart, also by Lawn Fawn. No, I didn't use this one. I used this rectangle die by My Creative Time. I used this scalloped border by Simon Says Stamp. It looks like this. Okay, for the papers, I used Santa Baby by Prima. Also by Prima, this one, Sugar Cookie. And finally, Secret Garden by CC Plus. And the star of the show, the stamp set. Let me bring white paper. Novelty Christmas Mug. Look to this cute gingerbread band, and the cream and the marshmallows and the mug on the faces. So cute. Okay, let me show you the card. So here is the first card. So I used craft cardstock, then Prima paper, then the die by Mama Elephant, the banner one, and I stamped the gingerbread twice, and I colored it. I colored the first one with color pencil and the other one with Copic. Yeah, and this die by or this cover die by Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, the second card, this one. So the paper by CC Plus. I stamped the mug on Prima paper, and I colored them with color pencil. I added here some glaze, and here is the the scallop die, edge die. The third card, here is the die by My Creative Time, the scalloped one. Papers again from Prima, and I die cut some stars. Which one? Yeah, it comes with small stars and tiny stars, so they are everywhere. Last but not least, and it's my favorite, this one. Oh, he's so cute. He's a snowman. So cute. Again, stamped on design paper from Prima. So cute. So I hope you like my 4 cards, gingerbread and snowman mug. So cute, right? Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye.